Hello, my name is Marco Dorantes and I'm going to teach you some nice tips for your cocktails at home. So, one big important part of cocktails are herbs. So, today we are going to know how to use them properly. One important part for the herbs, before we use it in a drink like in a mojito, we are going to clap over it so it releases a lot of our aromas and flavors what we want. So, we're going to put a little bit of peppermint over our cocktail. We are going to put some lemon juice and of course a little bit of sugar. This is the most important part of the mojito. Once we have the sugar, the lemon and the mint, we're going to muddle it, but we're going to muddle it gently. We don't want to break all the mint because it's going to be bitter and it's going to be over flavored. We're just going to push it to the mint, let the mint release the aroma, release the flavor, and have a nice cocktail experience. We're going to make it gently, a couple of times, without breaking the leaves. We got this fantastic aroma of a mojito. We're going to put our rum, add some ice on it, some nice cubes of ice, and let's finish everything with some sparkling water. Mix everything well together, and if we notice, we have the whole leaves of our mojito in the glass, and we can garnish it with some fresh ones. So please, next time you use mint or other herb in a cocktail, you know how to do it. Cheers!